Hello everyone, this is Gajanand and you are watching Tech Rudransi. In this tutorial, I will teach you button groups in Bootstrap 4. So the question is, what is button group? Button group is a series of buttons together in a single line, right? That's called button groups. So let's understand button groups in real example. This is my plain blank empty project, and I will write a code to understand button groups. So let's make first a few buttons, and this is a button 1, right? If you don't know how to make buttons, you can check out my previous video. This is button and button primary, right? Let's make another button. Let's copy and paste it 2 more times like this. So this is button 3, button 4, and this is suppose this is a warning button, and this is a dark button like this. So now we have 3 buttons, right? Button 1, button 2 and button 3. So what we will do to make a group, right? So we will make a group to all these 3 buttons. So what we will do, let's make div like this. Div should be closed and make it class btn group, group, right? And inside this button group we will copy and control X means cut and paste, right? All the buttons inside button group. So control S for save and let's refresh. So you can see all the buttons has been grouped, right? So this is called button groups. Now we will make drop down, right? Drop down menu to understand button groups, right? So for drop down menu, what we will do, right? We will also, okay, suppose we have a button sit here, right? All the buttons, and when we click the button, right, when we click the button, this drop down menu will be open, right? So let's remove this class. So let's remove and just make this is a drop down menu, menu like this, right? So let's remove this one. So when we refresh, all the buttons has been gone, right? So we have we have to make a button. When we click, all these buttons will be visible. So for that, this is called drop down menu. So let's make it. We have a button, another button like this. Put it btn and btn primary. You can put any name, right? Drop down like this. So now we have a button, right? This is button, but we have done a mistake because we didn't add any class here, class, and like this. Control S for save and refresh. So now we have a button, right? So when we click this button, this container, this group, right, this menu, right, will be open here. So for that, what we will do, so this is a button drop down menu, drop down toggle, sorry, G, control S for save. So you can see this is a tiny icon it here for making a drop down, right? And also we have to have some other attributes to make a drop down. So the data toggle and the data toggle has a drop down, right? Control S for save and refresh. When we click these uh, these buttons are open, right, like this, right? So this is a drop down in button group, right? We didn't make any group inside it here, right? So let's make a group it. Control X and make it a div, right, and paste it here. And in this div we will add some class, right? Class btn group, right, like this. Control S for save and refresh. So you can see, right, this is pretty much good, right? But all the buttons is not looking good, so we have to make a link it. So let's replace button to link a anchor tag, right, and href let's copy and paste, copy, paste, and paste it here. And this is a button, right? So actually just remove this class and add some other class to looks like a drop down, because this is a drop down menu, drop down, DOWN, drop down menu, sorry, item, right? So let's copy and paste all the way like this and like this. Control S for save, and let's refresh. When we click, this is a drop down, right? It's looking pretty good, right? So today we have understood button groups in Bootstrap 4, right? So if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.